Several months ago, I made a video about the Gateway Intermediate Workbook the CIA put out for their field operatives to learn from, all about energy and all of the wonderful things that go along with it, including a pain code. I wanted to talk today about codes. Very important for us to know that codes work for us because we are very sophisticated technology that actually works with code. So I want to introduce everybody to something called the Grabovoi codes. See this? You can get this book on Amazon. I can't remember, $15, $20, under $20 anyway, as far as I remember. It has all kinds of codes. There's a lot of different codes that you can actually access to. There are light codes of Shambhala. There are sacred healing codes. There are quantum healing codes. There are all kinds of codes. Got to access them in order to know what they are and then use them. Now, the key to this is this most important fact, and that is that what you're doing is actually tapping into an embedded collective consciousness belief, right? That really, like an egregore or a thought form of that, magnitude, when you use any kind of coding or anything at all, any kind of numerology, anything at all, you're tapping into something that is already established and already fueled with energy. And when you do that, you're actually accessing that wonderful fuel that is the energy of that code. This book in particular has all kinds of codes. It says healing, but it's not just about healing. It's about everything. It's about healing your finances, your health, everything. Your eyes, like your mental state, everything. Grabovoi codes. This series of numbers has been channeled by a guy named Gregory Grabovoi, and I think it's from the 90s, actually, if I'm not mistaken. I had so many things on the go lately, but I'm pretty sure he brought them through in the 90s. You just got to say them out loud, like say them, put them in your field so that those energies are attracting to you what you want. There's stuff here. You can find it on YouTube. If you look up Grabovoi codes on YouTube, you can find stuff there too. And there's audios that you can listen to all night long that are, not only equipped with these Grabovoi codes, but also binaural beats that actually help to bring it and embed it into your vibration so that as you're putting it out there, it's there. 520-7418. 520-7418. I picked that code in particular to tell everybody because everybody loves this code. You know why? It's for unexpected money. Unexpected money. Who doesn't want to have unexpected money just show up out of nowhere? How cool is that? I call those cash injections. Nothing wrong with those. And I'm pretty sure we could all appreciate a few cash injections along the way. 520-7418. So very simple. 520-7418. Write that down. And then say it. Write it on a piece of paper. Put your glass of water on top. Put it on a piece of paper. Put your food on top. Let it sit there for a moment and enjoy and totally absorb those energies of the numbers because the universe knows what they mean. The universe knows exactly what they mean. So go ahead. Look them up. You can find all kinds of them. Just free. Google search them all. A whole bunch of them. But if you want a bunch in a book form, the Grabovoi. See that? Yeah. You can find it. I don't even have a link for it. I'm not doing any affiliate stuff. It's just because I want people to know about this stuff. When I find stuff that works, and when I find stuff that's really cool for people to access, it's very simple and free, for the most part, for everybody, I tell people about it. Because let's face it, folks, a lot of people don't have lots of money to invest in all kinds of stuff. And sometimes it's the free stuff that gets you to the place where you can actually do the investing on a larger scale. So get yourself some codes. Let's have them look quickly. Lowering cholesterol, money attraction and abundance, sacred healing, mental disorders, soul and emotional stuff, depression, fear, inside peace, joy, stuff like that there. Surgical diseases, infectious diseases, endocrine diseases, top 300 illnesses. And like, this is an updated version, so it's got 2025 in here. A to Z. Like, I mean, there's just so very much in here. Look at all of these pages. Now, again, you can find almost all of these codes already online. sacred healing codes, light codes of Shambhala, quantum healing codes. Like, there's lots of them out there. Look them up. Use them for yourself. Work the magic that you are and the most incredible sophisticated technology that you are. Use what works. Use the code. Rewrite your own code. See what happens. Grabovoi codes. Grab your Grabovoi codes and watch what happens when you work the magic.